For paddling your kayak in limited visibility, like fog or darkness, a marine compass can help you find your way. There are a number of different models that will fit the compass recess on RC kayaks. The rotomolded Tempest 170 requires a rubber gasket for proper fit. Here are the tools you'll need. You may want to substitute stainless machine screws for the sheet metal screws that come with the compass. The sheet metal screw tips are quite sharp, poking through the deck and may cut you or damage gear. We'll be installing the Brunton Model 70P. Shown here is the compass, the Tempest 170 gasket, and the optional machine screw hardware. First, remove the 4 sheet metal screws. The plastic cover will now lift off. We use a string line to align the compass lubber line straight with the hull of the boat. Tie the string to the security bars fore and aft and pull tight. Next, drop the compass into the recess, center it in the housing, and drill one of the corners. Insert a screw but do not tighten. Using this screw to hold the compass, drill out the other 3 holes and insert the screws. Thread the washers and nuts onto the screw ends and tighten slightly, but not snug. If you want, you can add a dab of marine sealant to the screw heads for extra waterproofness. You should be able to twist the compass body so the lubber line is straight with the string line. Look at this alignment from different angles till you are happy, then tighten all 4 screws. Having a marine compass and learning good navigational skills is all part of good seamanship.